If you have not set up your Minfos to automatically import the MNPN Product Merge file, you will be required to manually import this file. From the Stock Manager module, navigate to the File menu, to MNPN Updates, and then select Product Merge Import. Click Import File, and then click Yes. After the merges have been imported, the import file prompt is displayed. Click Yes to view and action the merges now, or click No to close the import file window. Then click Cancel. The first time Stock Manager is opened each day, you will be prompted to review any merges that are waiting to be actioned. It is recommended that merges are actioned as quickly as possible to ensure your database is up to date. For further information about product merges in Minfos, please refer to the Minfos Help Centre.